everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So to start off 2019 I'm doing a speed clean and my little pickle's going to help. I have not gave this house like a thorough clean in probably since my last speed clean video on here. I'm going to go through the whole house, upstairs and down, bathrooms, toilets, that's the same thing. And yeah, and just give the house a good old clean. Anyway, let's just get straight into the video then and get started. Happy 2019 everyone!
We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try.
This is what we're dealing with in Leo's room.
At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Now Ava's room. How's it looking in here, Aves?
Cool.
Is it?
Yes.
We've got to make your bed and just tidy up a little bit of the toys. Come on then.
I will call all your bluffs, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try.
Do socks go into the washing and then they just come out on their own? Where are your pairs?
We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. Break up all the
I'm going to hoover upstairs now and then it'll be downstairs. Downstairs is not too bad, it's just the kitchen needs a good scrub and a hoover as well. This is why I wear gym gear to do a speed cleans, because it's hard work.
Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys, they know it. Fast money, don't slow. No one can control. Yeah, and I got this soda. Remy boys, they know it. Fast money, don't slow. No one can control.
So I've hoovered the whole house and now I've just got to give the kitchen a bit of a clean. It doesn't need loads doing to it. Just got to wipe down the surfaces and maybe just wash a couple bits up and then I'm done. I feel like I started and it was light and now it's nearly dark out. You can't tell.
Let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the verb. Lovers it could freak what you heard. I like the way you work it. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know. Fast money don't slow. No one can control. No. Yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know. Fast money don't slow.
That is it, all done. The first Speed Clean of 2019. I forgot how hard it was to film Speed Cleans because I kept doing loads of stuff and then not filming it, so I'm sorry. But I feel like I've got enough, I've got a lot of hoovering. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. But thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in another video. Bye!